Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to set up your Ledger Nano Gen5 with a simple step-by-step beginner's guide.
Step 1. Unbox and check, make sure the box is sealed and in use. Step 2. Download Ledger Live, go to the official Ledger website. Download Ledger Live for PC or mobile. Install and open it. Step 3. Connect Ledger Nano Gen 5, plug the device into your phone or PC. Turn on. Step 4. Set up as new device, select Setup as new device on the Ledger. Create a PIN code. Step 5. Write recovery phrase, write down the 24-word recovery phrase. Keep it offline and private. Never share it. Step 6. Confirm recovery phrase, verify the words on the device to finish setup. Step 7. Add accounts, open Ledger Live. Install crypto apps, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Add your accounts. Step 8. Send a test amount transfer or a small amount first to confirm everything works.